Today, I'm going to show you how to use the FutureBuilder to fetch API in Flutter. I am creating 3 folders: Models, Screens, and Surfaces. I will create a new Dart file inside Screens folder for the home page. I will create a Dart file inside the Surfaces folder. I will use that for the Photos service. And finally, I will create a Dart file for the photo items inside the Models folder. I will add the HTTP package into the PubSpec YAML file. For the model, I created a class called PhotoItem, where we have the title and the URL of the image. The photo service will use the API URL to get the photos. If the response is 200, then it will return a list of the photos. In the home page, I'm using a FutureBuilder and calling getPhotos from the photo service, then displaying the images in a list view. We are using network image to display the image using the URL and a text for the title. Finally, in the main.dart file, we have the material app and we set its home to the home page we created.